Mate, look at this paradise. Holy moly.
Wow.
Spectacular. That blew us away. That was awesome, eh?
You can just hear the nature sounds. You can't hear any music, any talking. It's really, really nice. So as you can see, our first stop in Townsville was not the most exciting, but our inverter actually blew up last night. So still have the receipt, still under warranty, so hopefully we can just get it replaced. And even though it's a bit of a bummer, we're just so thankful that it happened while we're here in Townsville and not when we get further north and a bit more remote. So pretty lucky.
See this face? This is the face of a very happy man. They replaced it straight away. They even installed it for us, baby. Look at that.
Below to the budget whatsoever.
Oh, mate, I'm so happy. they fixed it straight away, put a new one in. What a legend, mate.
Legends.
Thanks, Battery World. I bloody do this every time. So, I put the chainsaw in the box and I say, oh yeah, I'm going to get the chainsaw out before I open the tent. And then I open the tent, forget to get the chainsaw out. So, got to climb up there now. But this camp spot's wicked. Look at it. We've got bush turkeys everywhere. One over there. They're everywhere actually at this one. There's quite a few here, hey Megan? Mm-hmm. But yes, good camp spot, and it came with some wood to cut up. So, good excuse.
Pretty tranquil though. I don't know if you should use the chainsaw or not.
Good excuse to make some noise and piss everyone off. So that's what I'll do. Megan's not happy. But what's here? There's that rock slide place, eh?
Yeah, so we're feeling a bit low on energy today, so I think what we're going to do is maybe just chill out for the rest of the day and then get up nice and early tomorrow and then go and check out everything, pretty much everything that the national park has to offer tomorrow, so that should be good.
Yeah, sick. Oh my god.
Let's see.
The midges have destroyed it.
Oh, I thought you were going to like just take a video to show me because I can't see.
Nah, that's going on YouTube, mate.
Oh, okay.
Where are we going?
So, we're going to the, what's it called? Crystal Creek.
Waterhole slide.
Big waterhole.
Natural
and it's
slide.
Like a natural slide. And it's like getting there with the warmth today, so keen to go for a swim. Jack's not, obviously.
Obviously, will not be going for a swim because I'm a little wussy. Alright, we're almost there. Whoa! How good's this?
That's awesome.
Holy crap! This is wicked.
So cool.
Are you going down or what?
Yeah.
She's going down, guys. There's the slide there, I think. Oh no, it's just here. That's the slide there.
Okay, yeah, that looks a lot more safe.
That looks wicked.
One.
Actually, no, maybe that's not the slide, because look at the hump there.
Yeah, that'd be right.
Alright, well, you're going to find out anyway.
Unless I go down there.
Nah, that looks like... This one here looks rough. Nah, it'll be this one here. Alright, she's going down. It's so cold, she said. The water is freezing. How good's that? That's classic. Here she goes, round 2. Ew! How good was it?
Oh, it grazed my bum. Look at that big boy. Use something for scale. Here, go stand next to him.
Mate, no, wait.
Go on.
Imagine that bad boy in your bed. Or in your car. Alright, on to the next stop. If you're coming here, definitely go to that rock slide.
That was so fun.
Yeah. Just where are we again? What's the place called?
It is called Crystal Creek.
Yeah,
I know
Crystal
it's
Creek.
That's the name of the campsite we stayed in last night as well.
Yeah.
And this is literally just up the road from the campground. And
$6 per person, mate. That's living. Now we're off to, what's it called?
I just want to have a gander at what's at the end of this road here.
Oh, I just want to have a gander at
And
it.
then I think we'll probably do a bit of a rainforest walk.
Yeah, and then we're on
Maybe check out another swimming hole, and then we've also got a big lookout. So that's a big one.
Guys, we just drove half an hour uphill and we are so high. You can see the coastline, the ocean, the islands in the background here, and I've just had to stop again. I think I might be becoming a bloody plant person, but have a look at the plants growing off the trunks of these trees. I don't know if you can see that. See that there? That is very high up and it's just incredible. So might be a plant person by the end of this trip. Alright, we're almost there. Just bloody awesome, guys.
That was our fourth and final stop for Paluma National Park.
Yep.
So that one was the Little Crystal Creek, and then the one we went to this morning was called Big Crystal Creek.
Ah,
So
it's a definite yes from me.
yeah,
100% come here.
That would be another really cool place to spend the day swimming and
Yep.
stuff like that. But it's actually, you could feel the temperature drop quite a bit as
Because we're so high up.
higher. So
I also, there's some people down there, right? And I gave them a huge hey, go and wave at them, and they all just stared at us. I hate when people do that, eh? I was just like, are you kidding, mate?
I didn't even notice.
I waved at them and they're just staring at me with their arms crossed like, why are you down here? Anyway, enough ranting. Next mission, go find somewhere to bloody film Thursday's video
And eat lunch.
and eat lunch. So let's go. Well, lunch turned into dinner because I could not get my bloody words straight in the Thursday video. Again. I'm trying to go without a script. I want to keep it nice and natural, but it's pretty bloody hard
Yeah.
to get your lines straight. But chicken, potato with what's on there?
Starving.
Sesame.
I think we sort of copied another HelloFresh meal, but
Yeah.
I am stoked with this, and yeah.
But yeah, Sabrina the Teenage Witch is on the laptop because we have no service, so
It's the only show that we can agree upon
yeah.
that's on this hard drive, and we've got so much on there.
We've got like
but
thousands of shows and we both agreed on this one.
Jack loves it.
But anyway, you don't want to hear about Sabrina. We'll see you in the morning.
Okay, good morning. This morning
What is up?
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
4 scoops of coffee today, guys.
Well, actually, I think I gave you 5. Because I was trying to teach you a lesson that you didn't need it. It's that strong.
I think my heart's hurting.
It worked then. Anyway, we're on our way to the Jurama, I think that's how you say it.
Jurama Falls.
Jurama Falls. The lookout is closed, but we can still go down to the creek and rock pools, I think.
Yeah.
I think that must be maybe at the base of the waterfalls, but we stayed at the campground.
Like 500 metres
Yeah,
away from it.
we could have walked from the campground to here, but feeling a bit lazy this morning. But yeah, it was a really nice campground, so
Yeah.
would definitely recommend staying at that one.
We noticed when we've started coming to the Queensland National Parks that most of them have cold showers.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't use them, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind as well if you're coming down to the national parks.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, I think the waterfalls are definitely starting to get bigger and bigger as we head further north. So
yeah.
I'm excited to see.
Oh, this looks like the creek.
Oh, okay.
Let's go down
Let's
here.
go.
Well, if that ain't paradise, I don't know what is, because that was bloody good.
Yeah, and apparently they get better.
Yeah, it gets better apparently. So, pretty happy with that. Let's see what the next waterfall brings, eh? Because apparently that one's the best, eh?
Next level. Yeah, apparently.
They say it's one of the biggest and the best, so
I don't know how it can get any better, but we'll see.
we can find out. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we made it successfully to, I think it's the biggest single drop waterfall in Australia. And oh my god, in Queensland maybe, but we're not sure. One of the two. It is massive and it was a trek downhill the whole time. So now we had a little break down the bottom there checking it out, and it's going to take us like an hour and a half to get back up, and we are going to be stuffed. Hey Megan?
Yeah.
So wish us luck guys. We'll see you at the top. How you going?
piece of piss.
That was not a piece of piss. But totally worth it, eh?
100%.
Megan may or may not have stopped about 20 times.
I stopped twice.
All in all though, that was brilliant, eh?
Oh yeah, so worth it.
Caravan park, I reckon.
Yeah, shower. Alright, good morning. We did end up going to a caravan park last night, but unfortunately we picked one that was in between the highway and some train tracks, so didn't have the best sleep last night, so we're going to take it a bit easy today. First off, we've come to this beautiful waterhole, but we've decided we're going to get on to our second coffee of the day while we're here.
We got these Gums coffees. They're pretty easy to use, eh?
Yeah, they're just like filter coffees.
And
single serve filter.
Yeah, they got a strong one. I'm having the strong one. I woke up like a truck hit me last night, and I've got the biggest headache. It might be that hike we did.
Oh yeah.
Nah, the train.
Legs at all?
The train came. Yeah, my legs are killing. The train came past, and he beeped his horn like he knew we were there. Bloody bastard. Anyway,
it's going to be a nice chill one today. Not going to hike any more mountains or anything.
So yes, coffee time. Let's get into it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Okay, so we went and checked out about 3 swimming holes in total today, and they were all amazing. After that first one, we headed over to Cardwell Spa Pools, which was epic. It had such crystal clear blue water, but it was a bit busy for us, so then we headed over to Atty Creek Falls, which I'd 100% recommend because that was amazing. And now we've just come to another little rest stop for the night, probably just going to relax and catch up on some editing. And Jack's given himself a little project as well.
Yeah. I thought that this rest stop was going to be quiet, but there's a freaking rooster here.
We are still on the highway, so I don't know how quiet it's going to be.
Oh, it didn't sound too bad because we've come like quite far back in this free rest stop, but that rooster, I reckon, 5 in the morning is going to go off. But yeah, I'm doing the suspension bush, so oh shit, look at the old one and then look at the new one. Look at the difference. That's we've been driving along, every bump we hit you just hear ting 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 ting, so we're getting some funny looks, so I thought it is time to replace it. But yeah, that's going to bring the video to the end, guys. Don't forget to subscribe because next week we're checking out Mission Beach and making our way to Cairns, and I reckon it is going to be epic.
Oh yeah, we're officially in the tropics.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. It is ultimate tropical North Queensland up here.
We heard that the cassowaries are quite frequent here.
So we're on the hunt. Holy crap, those chips are massive.
This is the best day ever.
Best waterfall, best looking waterfalls I've ever seen. This is living, mate. Ew. That was insane. That was cheap. So 100% yes from me. What about you?
Yeah, definitely.